Inheriting a house in Salem should be a gift, but let's be honest. It often feels like a massive unwanted to-do list, especially when you're dealing with probate, family coordination, and a property that needs work. You might be tempted to call a traditional agent, but that usually means months of waiting, expensive repairs, and endless showings, which is exactly where VortexREI comes in. We specialize in inherited homes in any condition, meaning we don't care about the leaky roofs or old carpets. We just provide a fair, written cash offer within 48 hours with no commissions and no staging required. You don't have to carry the financial burden of a house you never planned to own, so if you're feeling overwhelmed, head over to VortexREI.com to have a simple, no-pressure conversation about your options, and let's see how we can help you move forward.